Namaste, welcome to homehashtaglife. Mostly we are well aware about this magnetic hooks and this S hooks. But nowadays so many other hooks, clips and pegs are there in the market to make our home keeping journey easy and convenient. So in today's video, I am going to test a couple of utility hooks, pegs and clips for us to see how they can help us to organize our home and kitchen, and you can decide if you need any of this and is it really worth the investment. So let's get started. This is a multi-purpose clip hook hanger. It has a small round hanger enclosure on top, which means you can use it in the wardrobe and on your cloth drying rack as well. I bought this specifically to hang my face towel, which I wanted to separate it from our hand towels. Yes, I like to use a different towel for my face. The hanger style helped it to get through this small hole of the wall bracket which we have in our bathroom, and now I can easily hang my face towel from here. Basically, we can hang it from anywhere according to our need and ease our daily chores a bit. You can use these clips in kids' wardrobe to hang caps and their various accessories. Also use it near the entryway to hang important papers, bills which need to be addressed immediately to make it more visible and you won't forget again. A multi-purpose hook clip at your service. You have seen these hook hangers in our previous videos, one of my absolute favorite home organizers. I got them from Market 99. It helps me to organize all my long necklaces in a neater way. The best part is I can see all the necklaces at a glance and pick what I need with absolute ease. These claw hook hangers came as a pack of 4 and it rotates 360 degrees, which is great. I would love to use it in our utility area to dry grocery bags, you can hang slippers to dry as well. It can be used to organize necklaces too. A perfect home keeping solution. Before going to the next segment, I would like to request you to like and share the video with the people you care if it is helping you in any way. In small apartments where we are constantly trying to add a bit more space, these pegs are a real lifesaver. I bought these pegs from Home Center and they came as a set of 12 in a pack. One of the absolute favorite home keepers. Just take one hanger or pulley rod and insert these pegs like this. Now you can hang all those small things like baby clothes, socks, kitchen napkins, undergarments, you just name it. I'm able to fit 12 full-size kitchen cloths in a 3.5 feet drying rod. How easy and how convenient. This one is kind of similar version of this hangable pegs. It came as a set of 2, each one has 6 pegs. It has a velcro attachment. Open the velcro and attach it with the cloth drying rod or in your wardrobe rod or on a hanger to hang small things. This can hold up to 6 small garments or t-shirt or cleaning cloth to dry. This will be my perfect travel buddy in hotel rooms where I don't find any space to dry things. This one is another favorite of the organizers. A permanent member of this space. After washing the dusting cloths, I clip them here to dry. Easy, budget-friendly solution for small spaces like this and make our home-keeping journey very convenient. If you are a renter and you don't have any cloth rail behind the doors, then this expandable over-the-door hanger can be your savior. You can use it over the bathroom door, over the entryway door, and even in narrow doors too because it is flexible, expandable. Hang daily wears, bags, umbrella, and utilize every inch of your small home. This is called a long tail hook clip, favorite among all. So versatile, you just hang them from anywhere. Hang duster, hang those awkward things to dry, hang in your pantry to hang sauce packets, hang a sponge to dry, hang notes, hang kid stuff, hang stuff to dry from the window where the sun shines the most. You got the point. It means you can hang anything from anywhere. While I shared all the utility hooks, let me share two decorative hooks that I have. One in our entryway where I hang umbrellas and bags. This one I got from Home Stop. And another one is in my kitchen. I have hung this grass straw bag and inside it all grocery bags stored. So handy and so aesthetic. Do you want to see more of these home keeping videos? Do like the video and let me know your suggestions in the comments below. By the way, which one you like the most amongst all these hooks, pegs and clips? Let me know that too. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care. Bye-bye.